Dahil na lalaki nagmamahal ako.
Ay,
So,
sorry.
sila, iba standard nila.
Galing.
Damit, walang problema dyan. Lifestyle ako.
Hindi na alam kung may hindi. Okay, good. Justin. I will show you one magic. So, yeah. Jesse?
Mali ka na sa magic mo.
Jesse, okay, Jesse. I want you to hold this. Just hold this.
We will upload it.
No.
Mali pa.
We're gonna do this inside.
We will upload this on YouTube.
Has to be inside. Has to be inside.
Can I like?
Ah!
Because it doesn't it's not bright in there.
Basta,
Oh, yeah.
Hindi, you will ano?
Hindi, kasi marami.
You already.
Oh, Bluetooth.
Okay. You already broke the trick.
This is a very simple trick. I want you to hold this.
And he will be a man.
Yeah. Have you able to see a deck of cards, or have you able to use it? Deck of cards. Deck of cards. Cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King, yeah.
Okay.
Have you able to use it or seen? Have you able to use cards? Have you able to use
Cards.
Have you able to use cards?
Have you
or
playing
play
cards?
cards? So you already know that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King. So you know that. So in that deck of cards there are 3 sets. The first set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second set is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the third set is Jack, Queen, King. Now, I want you to choose 2 sets. Choose set 1, set 2, or set 3. 2 sets.
Do I tell you?
Yeah.
What
sets?
Let's see, 1 and 3.
1 and 3. What set you haven't choose? What set you have not choose?
Number 2.
Number 2. So there's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So choose again another. Choose 2 numbers among.
3 now. Like 3.
The 2 numbers. Choose 2 numbers among those 5 numbers.
7, 8.
Do I tell you or?
Yes.
6 and 8.
6 and 8. From 6 and 8, choose 1 number. Well, what number did you didn't choose? What number you didn't choose? 8. So 8. Just think of 8, huh? Think of 8. So there's heart, diamond, spade, and flower. So I want you to choose again another 2 among those.
2 suits.
2 suits ba tawag?
Go with heart and diamond.
Heart and diamond. So choose 1 among them.
Heart.
Heart, 8 of hearts. So your card is 8 of hearts. So before you have told it, before you have
May interaction pa na.
Before you have so much.
Ayun na yung malupit na
Ayaw
clip
ko
up.
ready.
Si Mr. Romantico, Don Romantico pa. Mr. Suave pinagano.
So I have already ano ba?
Hindi kita naintindihan, sige lang.
Kanina sabi ko pulse.
I have already forecast what is your
Ito nga po
your card. I have already written that paper the 8 of hearts. Yeah. So before di ba? Paano ba? Need help. I need interpreter.
Interpreter.
Need help.
Portuguese kasi ito.
Naisulat ko rin yung number niya bago niya pa bago.
I have already written
Yeah.
the number, the deck, the number, the suit.
Yung magic ba to?
Or
Grammar
you
check.
Nasulat ko na yung number niya bago niya
Magic ba to? English 101. Ayun na, nawala yung sense ng magic eh. Nagkaroon pa ng interpreter.
Before you know it,
yeah. Before you know it.
Try to open.
At dududulad eh!
Are you sure it's gonna be in heart?
Yeah.
I don't.
Let's.
I'm not sure.
Because it
I'm
is
not so sure.
I'm not sure because both of them are swindlers.
just
They are swindlers.
keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself.
Oh my god.
Keep it to
It should be 8 of hearts.
He's joking, man.
Oh.
Let me see.
8 of hearts.
It's a lie. It's 8 in a cloud. There's no cloud in the deck of cards. Wala. Wala.
What's the computation follow?
Hindi, walang computations.
Is it correct? How is that?
Sa pilitan yun eh.
Nice trick.
Na doon ka mapunta.
Gano'n ka na, Pods?
Baklang magician.